Hi everyone, this is Chao with Rihanna Stark. This is another pick a card reading. In today's reading, we will cover the topic Blessings Coming Your Way between 15 to 21st March 2021. Like always, we have two piles here. This is pile A, which is the sun, and this is pile B, which is the flower. Viewers, you can also pause the video and decide intuitively which pile you are being drawn to. Incidentally, we also have the timestamp given in the description box, so in case you want to proceed directly to your reading, you can do just that. Those of you who picked pile A, which is the sun, certainly you are coming across as someone who is going to shine bright this week between 15 to 21st March 2021. The sun, as you know, represents life energy. It's the life force. So that is why I think you're going to embody these qualities this week. Possibly, pile A, you're also somebody who's going to make hay while the sun shines. So it is best to capitalize or take advantage of the possibilities or the opportunities that are going to be there for you this week. Professionally also, I think it's going to be a good week for you, or perhaps you're going to be somebody who's going to earn your place in the sun. Let's just keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading is the Six of Wands. Like I said, you're going to enjoy your place in the sun. Possibly the spotlight is on you this week. Most definitely, you're going to be the center of attention. People are going to notice that you're quite confident, or they will go gaga over your looks or your beauty. Perhaps they will also seek you out on account of your professional skills, or they will appreciate your talents. Largely, I think your personal magnetism is going to be at its peak. I think it is your intelligence which will help you make those gains. So, pile A, you should capitalize. Even otherwise, I think your intuitive abilities are also going to be at its peak. Maybe people will hear you out, or they will agree to your foresight. Acclaim is also going to be on the cards for your skills. Though it's going to be very hectic, maybe you're also somebody who's going to commute great distances, or maybe you're going to make those travel plans. Incidentally, I think you should keep all your documents in order. Other than that, I'm also picking up that money is going to come in this week, but then you may feel as though someone hasn't been very honest with respect to financial dealings. I think you should be on your guard with respect to that. The next card in this reading is the Empress card. Like I said, you're going to be somebody who's going to be quite magnetic this week. So certainly you're coming across as someone who's quite graceful, who's beautiful, or who's going to be quite nurturing and giving. The reconnections are quite likely this week. So maybe you're going to meet up with acquaintances, or you're going to form new friendships. Paperwork is also going to increase, or maybe technical work is also going to be on the cards. The next card in this reading is the Page of Swords. Surely pile A, you're like the sun. Maybe sometimes you'll be glowing hot and cold, because the Page of Swords is that energy which is wanting to cut through the obstacle. It's not going to be broking any nonsense. So in case you're dealing with co-workers, I think you should listen to their point of view. Maybe you're going to give them a piece of your mind for not being quick, or maybe they are not paying attention. That is why I think you're somebody who's going to be quite like a disciplinarian this week. Incidentally, pile A, I'm also picking up that there could be comparisons with your superior. Responsibility will also increase. Sometimes, you may have to step in. Maybe the superior is not around, so you have to take charge. Nevertheless, I think you're somebody who's going to be quite active, or you're going to be spurred on account of the responsibility. I think some of you could also have meetings or conversations with the administrator or the management, and you could lay threadbare the antics of your rival or your superior who is hell-bent on making it difficult for you. Some of you may also want to travel or go out of town for higher education. Maybe you're making those plans, but then there could be disagreements with family members. Maybe they don't see eye to eye with respect to your point of view. Nevertheless, I think this is the Page of Swords. So you're coming across as someone who wants to take the bull by the horns. You want to move forward. Largely, I think the energy is such this week that you will be up and about. Pile A, I'm also picking up that your schedule could be disrupted this week. I think you'll be quite pushy. So this will help you enormously. The next card in this reading is Nail. Wow, this is interesting, because you're somebody who is going to be spot on, or you're going to hit the nail on the head. Largely, I think this is the energy which is quite forceful. Because when we hammer away at something, then we are going to use force to drive home the point. Or perhaps Pile, you're coming across as someone who's going to be as tough as nails because you're not going to brook any nonsense from anybody. Earlier in this reading, we did talk about you having a word with the management, so that is why it could also mean that you're going to corner your rival. That's a very advantageous position to be in. All in all, Pile, you should capitalize because everything seems to be in your favor. With respect to your love life, I have this card: my family and upbringing are a bigger factor than I realized. Possibly, Pile A, the person you're dealing with has certain responsibilities. It is also possible that your social backgrounds are dissimilar. Maybe your family could be an issue here. It's also likely that this person realizes his responsibilities towards his family members. That is why I think he is quite preoccupied. Nevertheless, you're somebody who's coming across as quite rule-worthy because we do have the Empress here in your reading. You're somebody who is going to be in the spotlight. Possibly, Pile, you're also somebody who could be suffering from commitment phobia, or this person could be dealing with commitment phobia. Perhaps at times you feel that your pockets aren't too deep, or you want financial stability before you become man and wife. For some of you, I'm also picking up that maybe this person you're dealing with wants to distance himself from you because he has his responsibilities towards his mother. Because we have the Empress card, so it does represent the feminine energy here, or a female figure. Pile, sometimes this distance is necessary because this person will value you when you are away from his life or her life. Perhaps absence makes the heart grow fonder in your case. From Lenormand, we have this card: stock, change, movement. Some kind of transition is also going to be there on the cards because the stork is a migratory bird. So maybe you're going to be moving about, or you may be making those travel plans. It did come up earlier in this reading that you want to travel out of town on account of higher education or on account of job opportunities. These positive changes can be challenging, but then this is necessary for your highest good. Pile, on the home front also there could be renovation, which largely this week, Pile, you should take heart because things are moving forward. It's not stagnating. Any kind of movement or any kind of positive change is always welcome for us. From the Butterfly Oracle deck, we have this card: new exercise program. The stock talked about some kind of change. Maybe you need to incorporate some new exercises in your routine. Maybe you need to alter your exercise program. Possibly, you have to shake things up a bit. You need to get up and get outdoors, or you need to get fresh air. I think something new always changes our energy. It revitalizes us, gives us the confidence and makes us more productive. So this is very welcome as well. Maybe some of you are being called upon to go hiking or try new healing methods also. Maybe you need to meditate. The last card in your reading, Pile A, is recovery from Archangel Raphael healing deck. I think you're going to be overcoming a stressful situation and everything will be okay. That's quite reassuring to have. Maybe some of you could be suffering from cough and cold because my throat chakra is acting up while I'm recording this video. I think you could also suffer from body aches, so that is why you need to stretch your limbs a bit. Even the stock talks about recovery, so certainly this is a very positive reading for this week. Some of you could also be the caregiver this week, so this is also a positive card. Maybe it's talking about things are improving in that, or that person's health is going to improve miraculously this week. Finally, it's also possible that this week you could be going shopping, or you could be receiving gifts, maybe a good book, or you'll be enjoying good food. Some of you could also be preoccupied as you're going to clear your living space, or you could be thinking about renovating the home. I think Pile, you're going to enjoy everything under the sun this week. Certainly, this is a week which is going to bring in many blessings for you. I hope Pile, you liked your reading. This is Tarot with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have other pick a card readings lined up. Have a look at them as well. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time. So if you pick Pile B, which is the flower right here, possibly this week between 15 to 21st March, you're going to blossom, or you're going to take time to develop. I think initially people may see you as a wallflower, or they could compare you to a wallflower. You may be quite shy, or you would want to observe things from behind rather than participate. But surely and slowly or steadily, you will come into your own. Basically, it's the cycle of creation. From the bud stage to the flower stage, it does take time. Possibly, Palbi, you're also somebody who's been asked to go outdoors. You need to stop and smell the roses, or you need to be patient as well. In all likelihood, many of you also have the green thumb, so you need to spend time in the garden as well. Let's just keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading, incidentally, is the Wheel of Fortune. Certainly, this is going to be a cycle. Maybe it's going to be a very dramatic period because sudden changes are quite likely. The wheel is always turning, it's not going to be static. So, certainly, you can expect sudden changes in your schedule. Maybe you're being asked to be more proactive this week. Sometimes, things could hit rock bottom or it could go antagonistic, but then you should realize that the night will give way to the day. Maybe your loved ones will rally around you, so you can take heart from that. Sometimes, you have to dig in deep, or you need to focus a bit more. Perhaps some of you also dealing with those burdens because we do have the Nine of Wands. So it's going to be a challenging phase this week, but then this is also going to strengthen you, or it's going to make you come out even stronger. Possibly some of you also dealing with financial burdens, so this is why you may be contemplating a bit. Maybe you want to clear your dues. I think you could also be stressed out on account of work. Maybe you're going to work under self-imposed deadlines. That is why you feel that time is running out. Perhaps you should collaborate with your colleagues rather than be closed off, because this person is all by himself. That is why I think you need to talk to your colleagues and co-workers. You need to iron out the differences that are there and be more accommodating, or have a more cooperative approach. Sometimes, gadgets could be made unavailable to you. So this is also something which could prove to be a hindrance in the path. But then these setbacks or these challenges are something which is shaping you. Interestingly, things will look up because we do have the Eight of Wands here. I think communication is going to increase, or communication will bring you gains. Possibly there could be a job offer this week. Like I said, you're going to flower and blossom towards the end of the week. Surely, Palbi, travel and movement is also on the cards, because the Eight of Wands heralds a time when we are going to be on the move, or you're going to be up and about. Nevertheless, I think, Palbi, you should live within those boundaries. Maybe you should follow the rules while promoting yourself. In case you're in the leadership position, I think you're going to be someone who is going to put workers in their place. Maybe you're also looking for suitable replacements because some workers disappoint you. Incidentally, we did talk about you needing to cooperate with others, and we have this card 222 which talks about partnerships and balance. When we are too set in our own ways, and we end up distancing ourselves from others, or maybe we end up isolating ourselves from others. But then this card 222 is asking you to take time to balance your time and energy in your existing relationships. This week, Palbi, you are going to come across new acquaintances, or you're going to form new acquaintances. So maybe this card 222 is also corroborating that. I think you should pay attention to the new people who are entering your life. Maybe you should develop your relationship with them. Another thing, Palbi, you should follow your intuition, because your intuition is going to be spot on. With respect to your love life, we have this card, you're the only person who truly gets me. This is quite reassuring, Palbi, because this person you're dealing with realizes that you understand him perfectly well. There's also a possibility that there could be new love interest this week, and this person could be somebody who realizes straight away that you can figure out what's going on in this person's headspace or his emotional space. In case yours is a relationship which is not going anywhere, even if this person is trying to distance himself from you, because we do have the Nine of Wands in your reading, so there could be some challenges in your relationship as well. But regardless of this person knows in his heart of hearts that you're the one who truly understands him. From Lenormand, we have this card, Birds, which talks about activity, talks about communication, and we do have the Eight of Wands, which talks about messages or letters or emails. Maybe you're going to go for that interview this week, or there's a job opportunity like I outlined earlier in this reading. Perhaps, Palbi, you also need to communicate with others to strengthen your bonds. Maybe you should listen to the viewpoint of others, like your co-workers, or even within the family. You should take a different perspective. Some of you could also be dealing with gossip. Maybe people are gossiping behind your back, which you should be mindful of. Or perhaps you needn't pay attention to what's going on behind the scenes, rather you need to focus on work. Whatever it may be, I think this week you're going to come away evolving as a person, because we do have this card, spiritual growth. You know, the changes that you're undergoing this week are part of your spiritual journey. I think you're going to become more stronger than yesterday, or perhaps you need to find that inner strength, and you're going to find that inner strength because the angels are guiding you. Many of you also want to make that trip to be at the Pilgrim Center. Maybe you're making your way to the place of worship, or perhaps you're also learning on account of your spiritual path this week. These are lessons which are definitely going to make you a better version of yourself. The last card in your reading from Archangel Raphael Healing Cards is Stretch. I think Archangel Raphael is clearly asking you to get rid of your body aches by stretching your limbs. Maybe you should relax a bit, or you should take a breather rather than be weighed down by your responsibilities. Some of you need to take a break and go outdoors because you need to travel a bit to de-stress. Maybe you should also engage a teacher or physiotherapist who could massage your limbs. Interestingly, this week I'm also picking up that there could be issues with respect to digestive system. Maybe you need to focus on your throat chakra. Even your blood pressure and sugar levels need to be monitored this week. Largely, Palvi, I think you're going to exert yourself. You could be exhausted and worn out. Maybe the weather could also affect your health. Even while traveling, I think you could suffer from travel sickness. Many of you could also be called upon to be the caregiver this week. Most definitely, Palvi, you're going to emerge from a difficult situation. You're going to come up crumbs. Perhaps, Palvi, you're going to come out smelling the roses this week. I hope, Palvi, you liked your reading. This is Shah with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.